a project that begot another project. Anyway, this is what I gotta have to do now. Right around here is a gash. You know, trying to remove concrete posts. Gotta put up new fence. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Hopefully get the fence people to do it. But I'm doing all this, removing that. I've got to fix that irrigation leak. Okay, this here is the exact pipe that's in our irrigation system. So I thought I was going to be able to use a compression coupler, but I think the gash is too big. So that's why I also bought the telescopic repair kit, and with a coupling, slip coupling. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to cut the gash outside, use the glue, primer and glue, primer and cement. That's where I'm at now. Wish me luck.